Welcome to our channel. I'm Virgine and today I'm gonna create two Christmas wreath design with gel polish and some bling. These are the products I will use in this video. If we were working on natural nail, we will have to apply the urban graffiti base coat. However, on acrylic or gel, this is not needed. Make sure to cap the free edge and cure for 30 seconds. To create our background, apply 2 coats of Urban Graffiti blank canvas from the Nude collection. Cap the free edge and cure for 30 seconds. I'm gonna use several colors: Medusa from the Glitter collection, Peppermint, Snow White and Imperial from the Glitter collection. I will put a little bit of each gel on my palette. Dip the tip of your brush into the first color and tab into the desired shape. Keep the brush vertical. With a detailed brush, add the peppermint and marble. Now I'm going to do the same with the white. If you need to, add more other colors. This design does not have to be perfect. In fact, it is better the messier it is. Flash cure for 10 seconds. I will add some red crystal, which will look like Christmas decoration. We will do a second one, but this one will be a ring shape. Now I'm going to add Imperio from the glitter collection. Curing for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to use Serious Black to do the ribbon, and I'm going to use the detail brush 003. Load your brush with the gel polish. Use your brush flat to get long thin lines. Now do a curved line. And repeat the same process for the other design. And cure for the 30 seconds. Now using the Urban Graffiti top coat to seal your design, including the crystals. Cap the edge and cure for 30 seconds. And this is the finished design. I hope you like it. And all the products used in this video will be in the description box down below. Until next time, Merry Christmas and au revoir!